Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video I will show you how to use the Microsoft PowerPoint animation. So in my PowerPoint presentation, I'm just going to go to insert and insert a shape. Here I'm using a rectangle, and then after making this rectangle rather, I will change the color or by adding fill, and I'm going to remove the outline so that it looks like a vector. And then I'm going to insert again and make a text box. Here you can write any word that you want to use. And then I'm just going to adjust how it looks like. I'm changing the font size and the font color, putting it in the middle of the text box. And then after this, I'm going to rotate this. And then I'm going to move it to the side. And then I'm going to select the text and add an animation. Scroll down and you will see here line. So there are other options, just like this left to right movement of the box or element. And then I'm going to select the text and then right click and then send to back. So this is how it will look like. It will reveal the text that you've hidden at the back of the shape. So that's it. That's one of the examples on how to use animation in PowerPoint. Thank you for watching, guys. Please do like and subscribe.